In this video, I am going to show you how to set up React Native and run your first app on a real Android phone without downloading the massive Android studio. First, we will download Node.js. Simply search Node.js download. Now open this page and download the Windows installer. Open the installer setup. Click on next, accept, next. We'll keep the default settings and install Node.js. Okay, Node.js is installed now. So let's open command prompt and confirm the installation. Simply type this command to check the version of Node.js. Next we need Java. Just search Java JDK 17 and open this page. React Native strictly requires Java JDK 17, so make sure that you must download JDK 17 only. We'll download the Windows installer. Now open the installer. Just click next and next. Okay, Java JDK 17 is installed. Now we'll go to edit environment variables. Click on environment variables. Go to path under system variables. Now we'll go to the Java folder. And then inside the bin folder, copy this path. Click on new and paste the path. Okay, now we'll download the Android command line tools. Just search Android SDK download. Open the Android Studio page and scroll down. We'll download the command line tools only. Now before we extract this zip file, we'll create a new folder inside the C drive and name it Android. Now we can extract the files inside the Android folder. Now we got a folder called CMD line tools. Inside this, we are going to make a new folder and name it latest. We are going to move all these files inside this folder. Now inside the Android folder, we will create a new folder called platform tools. Now we will go to edit environment variables. But first make sure to copy this path. Android, then CMD line tools, then latest, then bin. Just copy this path and go to environment variables and paste it. Now similarly, copy the path of the empty platform tools folder and paste it just like the previous folder. Click on New here and create a new system variable. The variable name should be Android_home and paste the path of your Android folder. Click on New again, and this time name the system variable as Android_SDK_root. Paste the same path of Android folder. Then click OK and OK. Now open the command prompt and run this command. This command installs the platform tools, Android SDK and build tools. Just press Y and hit enter. Now let's build the app. So we'll open a new folder in VS Code. And inside the terminal, we will run this command. This is going to be the name of our application. Now we will run this app on our Android device using a USB cable. Make sure USB debugging is turned on. Now type cd and then the name of our app. Finally, we'll run the npm run android command. This will take few minutes. And our app has launched on the phone. And there it is. Your app is running on a real device. And now you're ready to start building real apps. If this saved you time, drop a like and subscribe.